Hello and welcome. Well, today I mentioned that I had to go to Andy's to get black paint because BG mentioned that I had to get the Tamiya paint. The TS14 lays down perfect. So I went over there. Well, I mentioned to head over there, and my wife said, well, wait a minute, and then I'll get ready and I'll go over there with you. Okay. So we headed over there. I picked out my black paint. Then she mentioned, oh, you forgot that you had to get more of the Tamiya extra thin glue. Got that. So we're looking around the store. She wandered over to the model car section, and then look what she picked out. That's right, 66 Chevy Stalker. That's pretty cool. That's not all. Wandering around, looking, and then she's like, oh, you don't have this Skylark either. Nope, don't have the Skylark, so she picked that out too. And then didn't you guys mention that you're having a build-off at another club for the YouTube guys? I said, yeah, I sure am. So she goes, here's a 40 Ford. So I ended up with 3 kits, went there just for a can of paint, and mentioned glue, and now we got 3 kits too. So here's a pro tip. Bring your wife along, because she'll pick out some cool stuff too, and then you won't get hollered at when you come home with stuff. See, that's the trick. All right. Well, we're back. I figured since that we bought all this stuff, might as well open them up and show them off. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, here we go. Opens up very nicely. Look at those custom hubcaps. Pretty neat. This looks like the same old 44 they've reissued 1,000 times so far. Nice glass. Oh, nice white walls. Check them out. Cool. Molded in yellow, guys. Look at that. Not sure what color I'm going with. Stay tuned on that. All molded in yellow. Little flathead there. It's pretty neat. Door opens in the back. I didn't see that. Okay. Alright, that's pretty cool. In the bottom here, it looks like we got some kind of display thing. It's like a Park Central Hotel display box in there. And our decals. Bunch of Coke decals there. That's pretty cool. And then our book. There's our book here. This is pretty neat. Can't wait to get started on this. Got to have this done by January. But knowing my record with the other guys and Lucas C and BG always mention I can get them done fast. So probably have it done by Thursday. We'll see. All right, let's open the others up. Okay, here's a 66 Chevy. Looks like Impala. 66 Impala there. Okay, go look how big these tires are. See that? Those are pretty cool. What else we got in here? Big Chevy Impala body. Nice frame detail. Check that out. Okay, what else we got here? Got some roll cage. There's a dashboard. Seat. Steering wheel on there. Alright, dig it in here deep. Oh, those wheels are great. Check them out. Looks like we got some, I'm not sure what this is. This is like a Mustang grill. Is that a Mustang grill in there? I don't know. That's crazy. There's a engine there. I'm assuming a big block Chevy, I guess. Let's get the decals out. look at those decals. Those great. I like the duct tape looking ones. Those are neat. What else we got in here? Here's our book. It's pretty cool. The engine in there. All right, that's pretty neat. Let's check out the next one. All right, let's open up the Buick Skylark. That box open there. This is molded in gray plastic. This is pretty interesting. Bottom's pretty plain there. Got custom seat. It's almost stock hood there. A lot of parts in this one. Look how they got the tires wrapped in the body there. So I'm going to have to untangle that. There. That's foolishness. All right, there we go. Got the Buick Skylark body there. Pretty neat. All right, there's our big tires. And there's our windows. They're loose. See, it had that tire laying on it. After a while, it would have melted it. So it's a good thing you open them up, and we'll bag these up separate. There's our chrome tree. Check it out. It's got 4 stock Buick wheels in there from the old promo. That's pretty neat. I'll use them on something else. 2 metal axles. Pretty cool decals there. I like that. Those are great. I just looked at the date on here. March of '99. So this has been around for a while. Pretty cool. There's our book. This is going to be a pretty cool kit. This is great. All right. Well, what did we learn in this episode of the program? Bring your wife along, and she'll pick out some pretty cool kits, along with the stuff you already went there to buy. So, less chance of getting hollered at. So, anyways, this is the Autistic Modeler. Happy modeling.